Now explain another problem. The problem is solve z square of p square plus q square equal to x square plus y square. First observe the given problem. This problem is not in the standard form. Now reduce this equation into standard form. First write the given equation. Given equation is z square of p square plus q square of x square plus y square, or it can be written as pz whole square plus qz whole square equal to x square plus y square. Here observe that p square z square means pz whole square. Next z square q square means qz whole square, or it can be written as pz whole square minus x square equal to y square minus qz whole square. Say this is 1. Observe that this is of the form f of x comma p z power n equal to g of y comma q z power n with here with n equal to p z power 1, p z power 1, that with n equal to 1. In this case, for n not equal to minus 1, put capital Z equal to z power n plus 1. Z equal to z power here n equal to 1, z square. Next, dou capital Z by dou small z equal to 2z. 2z. Then small p equal to dou z by dou x. This can be written as dou z by dou capital Z of dou capital Z by dou x. This is dou z by dou capital Z means here take reciprocal, that is 1 by 2z. This can be taken as capital P. Capital P means dou z by dou x, or it can be written as pz equal to 1 by 2 capital P. Similarly, qz equal to 1 by 2 capital Q. Substituting pz qz in 1, the equation 1 becomes, therefore the equation 1 becomes pz whole square. Pz means 1 by 2 capital P whole square plus minus x square equal to y square minus qz. Qz means 1 by 2 q whole square. Or it can be written as 1 by 4 p square minus x square equal to y square minus 1 by 2 q square. Say this is equation number 2. This is of the form f1 of x comma capital P equal to f2 of y comma capital Q. This is a type 3 problem. In type 3 problem, each side of 2 equal to an arbitrary constant, say a or a square. Let 1 by 4 p square minus x square equal to a square, say 2, say 3, y square minus 1 by 4 q square equal to a square, say 4. Now we obtain capital P and capital Q from 3 and 4. From 3, 1 by 4 p square equal to x square plus a square. P square equal to 4 of x square plus a square. P means 2 of square root of x square plus a square. From, this is capital P. From 4, 1 by 4 q square equal to y square minus a square. Q square equal to 4 of y square minus a square. Q equal to 2 of square root of y square minus a square. Now substituting capital P and capital Q in substituting capital P and capital Q in D capital Z equal to capital P small dx plus capital Q dy. We observe the capital P and capital P means dou capital Z by dou small x. Capital Q means dou capital Z by dou y. In that, capital Z is dependent variable, small x and small y independent variable. That's why we can write like that. dz equal capital P. Capital P means 2 of square root of x square plus a square dx plus Q means 2 of square root of y square minus a square of dy. Now integrating, we get integral d capital Z equal to 2 of integral square root of x square plus a square of dx plus 2 of integral square root of y square minus a square dy. Integral dz means capital Z equal to of, this can be written as x by 2 square root of x square plus a square by 2 sine h inverse x by a plus 2 of, this can be written as y by 2 square root of y square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse y by a plus c. Put substituting capital Z means small z square. Small z square equal to, simply this one, x square root of x square plus a square by a square sin h inverse of x by a plus y square root of y square minus a square cos h inverse of y by a plus c. This is the required solution. Thank you.